Hey everyone, Technomensch here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reschedule a scheduled message on your iPhone. So if you have a scheduled message and you wanted to change the time, you can do it by following these steps. This is available only on iOS 18, so if you haven't updated, of course you won't see this. But if you have a scheduled text message using the message app, go ahead and open it up. And I have a message here to my contact here that I've scheduled, and right where it says send later, it tells me what time it will currently send that. Now if you want to reschedule it, all you do is click on that edit option and they'll bring up a menu that allows you to reschedule, basically edit the time. So if I click on edit time, I can go ahead and change the time to something else and then select the options here, and then once I'm done I just tap anywhere and it will readjust that time to a later time or earlier time. You can just do that to reschedule it. And you can always go ahead and send it right away if you want, or you can delete it if you don't want it to send at all. But that's how you can go ahead and reschedule text messages on your iPhone on iOS 18. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.